What's going on everyone, and welcome back to the Top Collectors channel for yet another video. Before we kick this off today, if you guys are new to the channel, consider subscribing as it would really help us to bring you the absolute best content geared towards mini car collections. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Today, we have the unboxing of the Mini GT Porsche 911 GT2 RS Weissach or Weissach Package. Excuse my pronunciation. TSM model, car number 86. Packaging is very subtle. You got the Porsche licensing in the back. You got the TSM branding over there. At the bottom, you have clearly stated collector's model. Some hazards. Mini GT 164. All these cars from Mini GT are all at a 164 level. Let's open this baby. Woo! This Porsche GT2 RS is absolutely great. It's subtle with the two-tone colors, with the black and the white, with the gold wheels. They just go absolutely hand in hand. You got the plastic taillights, you got the Porsche badging right there in the front, you got the GT2 RS right in the front. It looks great. They did a great choice with this color. This is a Weissach specific package that they remade. Plastic taillights, GT2 RS badging right there. You got the nice, great diffuser in the back. It's very low. These Mini GT cars typically don't roll too well. I mean, they're not made to play with per se. They're really like a collector's model. It's even written on the box, which is funny enough, but they have separate rubber tires, these plastic wheels. I mean, look at this. This looks absolutely great. This looks like a showroom car. It's great. It's a great racer. Well done. Again, no suspension for these models, but these are not meant to really be played with. These are really have a premium price tag, and they're meant to be shelf, very detailed, scaled models. And that wraps this unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe and click that bell to get notified as soon as we drop new content. Don't forget to equally like and share this video. Never stop collecting, and as always, I'm Adrian, and we'll see you all in the next one.